Hey everybody, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel for PDR. And today we have a Hyundai I20 really bad hood to repair. Now we told the customer that they cannot expect 100% repair because one dent is really sharp and it's under the brace. So we will see what happens and how it goes out. So this is the hood. As you can see, it has low spots here. Now the really sharp one here, this is gonna be a problem because it's also under the brace. It also has crowns here and here. This hood is completely smashed. Now, honestly, I don't know how this thing will turn out because it's super sharp and under a brace. If we look underneath the hood, you can see how the paint cracked from the impact. Now that dent is right in here. And also the paint on this dent underneath is cracked. I can feel it with my fingers. Took the hood off on a hood stand so I have better access and better viewing angle. Now make sure you watch this video till the end because I will show you at the end a really good tech tip to gain access on this sharp dent that I had. this point I move to the other dents because that one is clearly stretched and it needs shrinking with the power PDR box, and I'll do that at the end. The repair came out better than I expected. Here's the final product. And if you do like it, please click the like button and make sure you click the subscribe button on your way out. Now the customer was super happy with the repair, and so was I, to be honest. I didn't think it would turn out this great as it did, but hey, sometimes we just surprise ourselves. As promised, thank you for watching till the end. If you like this content, make sure you press the like button as it helps the YouTube algorithm. Now, as promised before, here is the tech tip to gain access to the sharp dent. As the impact damage was so severe that it separated the braces from the top panel, and even if it didn't, here's what you can do by yourself. You can cut these and then use this window wedge bag, however you call it, inflate it, and this will give you a nice room to operate here. Now this is also the reason why I wanted the hood off, because I want to push from this direction. I can put my rod at an angle just like this. and I can have access. You see, I'm right on the dent. Also, this is enough room because I believe the dent is gonna stretch. This is enough room for me to sand it and use the power PDR box on it. So take care everybody, and I will see you on the next one.